So module 2, building electrical materials and equipment. So first we have power generating and transmission. Power station. It is an industrial facility that houses the prime mover, electric generator, and auxiliaries for conversion of mechanical energy, chemical energy, and or nuclear energy into electrical energy. It is a facility or system for the generation of electric power. So a power station is where electricity is produced. It converts energy like mechanical, chemical, or nuclear into electrical energy. So kini ang kanang sinugdanan sa kuryente nga atong ginagamit sa balay og building. So next is building electrical service equipment. So this includes service entrance, conductors, service entrance, switchboards and panel boards, and building transformer. So next is we have service entrance conductors. So service entrance conductors, conductors that carry power from the transformer through a metering device to the building service disconnects. This may be overhead or underground. And service trap. So overhead wires extend from a pole-mounted distribution transformer to the building service entrance. Overhead service entrance conductors extending from pole-mounted transformers. So overhead like gikan sa poste. And service lateral underground service entrance conductor. So underground line. So roll ani it brings power to your house or building. So bisan gikan sa taas o ilawom, importante ni para makasulod ang kuryente sa building. Next is service entrance and disconnect. So connects utility service entrance connects utility power to building system. So further explanation ani is contains meter, main switch like disconnect and breakers. Disconnect allows us to turn off power for safety. So kung na emergency, disconnect dayon ang gamiton para mapalong ang kuryente. Next is we have switchboards and panel boards. So switchboard is a large cabinet or assembly of metal cabinets in which is connected disconnecting switches. So large switchboard is large handles big current. So panel board mo ni siya ang kung switchboard larger kini panel board smaller for rooms or sections. So mo ni siya switchboards and panel boards. So mas larger ang switchboard and panel board mas smaller siya. Nana siya. So next is we have building transformers. So transformers are used in transmitting and distributing power from the power plant to a substation. So used to step down voltage para mahimong safe gamiton sa building. So common sizes ani is 3 to 1,500 kini kilovolts ampere. Charot. Next is overcurrent protection devices. So OCP, OCP, overcurrent protection devices. They safeguard a building service or individual circuit from excessive current flows. So protects from too much current that can causes fire. So included ani is fuses and circuit breakers. So kung sobra ang kuryente, sila ang safety valve. Sila ang safety valve nga moputol sa supply. Ay, sorry. So next is we have circuit breakers and fuses. So breaker can be reset. So ma-reset na siya. Fuse needs replacement once blown. So if mabuto na siya, kailangan na yun siya replacement. So types of fuses ani is cartridge, plug, wire, and time delay, and etc. So muna siya. So fuses, muna siya, fuses. So kini circuit breakers, muna siya ang fuses. So General classification of fuses. So, na yung mga katong ingon, cartridge, plug, fuse wire, non-time delay fuse, and kining dual element time delay fuse, and etc. na siya. And standard ampere ratings of fuses and fixed strip circuit breakers based on the PEC. So, muna siya ay 15, 20, 25 to 6,000 amperes. So, according na siya sa PEC based on the PEC. So, OCP device ratings. OPDs have two current ratings, overcurrent and amperes interrupting current. So, natay overcurrent rating, natay interrupting capacity. So, overcurrent rating is the highest current it can carry continuously without exceeding a specific temperature limit. Example, kini without overheating. So, interrupting capacity, it is the current that the fuse is able to interrupt without being destroyed or causing an electric arc with an acceptable duration. So, arita sa utilization, equipment, and devices. So, utilization, equipment is a broad category of electrical or electronic machine or instrument designed to perform a specific mechanical, chemical, heating, or lighting function through the use of electrical energy. So, equipment that uses electricity like lights, appliances, and etc. So, devices like switches and outlets help us control and use electricity. So, we have outlets, receptacles, and plugs. So, outlet, muna siya, receptacle, and plug. So, sabotable na siya ang iyang mga meaning niya. So, natay switches. So, switch is an electrical component that can break an electrical circuit, interrupting the current or diverting it from one conductor to another. So, na switches, na single pole, na duplex, triplex, double pole, o three pole. So, na siya ilahala nga symbol. Then, like function niya or asa siya magamit sa three-way or four-way. I mean, lahi isa ni siya nga switches naman tayo three-way, four-way, atay automatic door, key operated, master selector, ug remote control. So nasa siya yung mga symbol. Then naapat tayo daghan klase sa switches, so nasa na siya yung mga symbol. So nasa na siya yung mga description and masabtan na siya if mabasa lang na siya tarong. So switches for lamps controls. So, SPST, single pole, single through switch. So, muna siya ang mga types of switch. Yeah, alita sa disconnects. So, disconnect, safety, power switch. So, a mechanical switching device used to isolate a circuit or an equipment from the supply side. It could either be fuse or non-fuse type. So, standard ratings of disconnects in amperes na 30, 60, 100 to 1.6 and 1.8, 1,800. So, amperes. So, safety switch to isolate equipment. So, rated na siya 30 to 1,800 amperes. So, conductors and natay conductors and cables. So, electrical conductor, it is any material that conducts electrical current. Electrical conductors are either solid or stranded. So, conductor, ano siya, mga metal wire that carries electricity. So, cable, minitag cable, group of conductors na siya with insulation. So, na siya mga types like bare, like wala siya tabon, na insulated, na IPVC or nylon cover, muna siya ang insulated. And bus bar, flat metal used in panels. So, wires, building wires. So, ano sa wires and ampacity. So, building wires, thermoplastic cables, single insulated conductor of solid or standard bare annealed high conductivity copper. So, wires and ampacity. Ampacity meaning is maximum current a wire can handle safely. So based on material, size, or insulation, or etc. So arita sa ano si conductor ampacity. Ano siya ang ampacity. So arita sa enclosures and raceways. So enclosures are electrical boxes and cabinets made of metal. For example, steel, galvanized steel, aluminum, and so on. Or non-metallic plastic materials that provide protection for conductors, connections, controls, and other electrical equipment. So enclosures and raceways. So boxes and cabinets protects connections. Then if we tag raceways, conduits na siya or siya yung mag-organize and mag-protect sa wires. And conduits, types na siya yung mga metal, non-metallic, flexible types. Arita sa busways and wireways. So, kining busways and railways, mga pre-made systems na siya for distributing power across buildings. Next is last one. I think this is the last one, electric motors. So in homes, electric motors are found in refrigerators, freezers, dishwashers, kitchen sink, waste disposal, portable kitchen appliances, exhaust and ventilation fans, clothes, washers and dryers, furnaces, air conditioners, and paddle fans. So motors are in many appliances like fans, washing machines, so like air cons and etc. So dili na mo siya makuha. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. This is Gianfranci Pelayo from BCE 2B. Thank you and God bless.